Happy Thursday. This week's vlog is not going to be a weekly vlog like normal. We're going to do a day in my life, but we're going to have a girls' day together. So let's have a little girls' day. We're going to do some girly things together. Come and spend the day with me. I'm going to upload a nail brand deal right now that I did with these nails. They're for Valentine's Day, and they're pink with white hearts to give the illusion of like a French tip. And I did these nails with Nail Reserve, and if you use my code Beauty Alyssa Rose, you can get your nail supplies for 50% off. 50% off on Nail Reserve's website. I'll have my link down below in the description. So if you like doing your nails from home and you're building your at-home nail salon, you guys can shop Nail Reserve. They have thicker formula. I explain everything in my TikTok video, but they have a thicker formula, so it's more durable for gel polish and it'll last longer. And they're also free of 21 of the most harsh ingredients that are in your regular nail polish. If you guys are building your at-home nail salon, or you like doing your nails from home and you're looking for brands to try, I love Nail Reserve. Like, literally, look at how beautiful they turned out. So beautiful, and they're like salon proof. If you guys are curious, you can go on my TikTok and watch my TikTok video about it. It goes more in depth, and yeah, you guys can shop using my code or the link that I put down in the description. I also have this like really cute Skims bandeau right now, and it has like the matching set. And it's so cute for Valentine's Day. I'm feeling so inspired for Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day because I love the nail inspo for Valentine's Day. Like, I think Valentine's Day has the best nail inspo. Like, I think it's so cute. So I'm going full all out for Valentine's Day. But now I'm going to make some breakfast and get started for the day. Finished making breakfast, and I made a egg breakfast burrito with some avocado and some hemp hearts. So yeah, right now I'm watching a Paige Lorenz vlog, and I always watch my YouTube girlies. I catch up with my vlogs and stuff while I have breakfast. I don't know, it's a good time to like eat and watch, and I feel like other YouTubers and their vlogs always make me feel inspired, and so I feel like it's a good way to start the day, because then I feel inspired the rest of the day. I'm back. I think I know what I'm gonna do with my hair today. I really wanna put my hair in rollers. I haven't done a blowout on myself yet since having my new haircut. I've just like curled my hair. So I kinda wanna do rollers and give myself a blowout and just see. And I wanna film a blowout tutorial because I do get a lot of questions about my blowouts and how I do them with rollers. So I think I'm gonna do a tutorial on that, and then I'm not sure what to wear for my outfit today. Why is lately if I look stuff up, like if I type in something very specific, like yoga outfit inspo, it'll show me like one picture that aligns with what I searched, and then the rest is just ads. I don't know if you guys have noticed that lately, but literally every platform I'm on is just filled with ads, and it's not even fun anymore. Like, just in my one screen, I already have 5 ads just in that one section, which is so annoying because then you can't find what you're actually looking for because your whole thing is just ads. I miss the days when social media was like actually what you followed or what you searched up. I don't know. I don't really see any inspo for anything that I like love, so I might just have to look through my closet and see what I have. Let's pick out an outfit to wear. I think I am gonna go to the gym prior to doing the yoga, because the yoga that I'm going to do today is more of like a yin yoga, so it's very calm, and I want to get a good workout in today too. So I think I'm gonna go to the gym, and my gym is like right across the street from where I'm gonna go do the yoga, so it works out perfect. The Fabletics sent me this white workout top, and I love it, and then I have this like navy blue headband. I honestly think that I've had that since I was like 10, but I love that the headbands are making a comeback. And then I have these wide-legged navy blue Nike yoga leggings, It's just such a cute little outfit, and I think it's perfect for yoga. So I think that's what I'm gonna wear today, and we'll go into the city. So we'll get to spend the day in Amsterdam, which will be lovely. And the skies have turned like beautiful blue. We have blue skies now, so I think the weather will be really nice, and it'll be really fun to be walking around now because it's such nice weather, blue skies. I think it'll cure the seasonal depression. I grabbed everything that I need to do my at-home blowout, and I used thermal rollers. And then I have a claw clip because I separate my hair into sections. And then this is the current dry shampoo that I use. It's the Act and Occur Volvic Acid Volumizing Dry Shampoo. And I love it because it actually does volumize. And I've noticed with these dry shampoos that they're not aerosol. They don't really provide a lot of volume. But this one actually does. And it's even like a mist, like when you can travel with. I actually do like that one. And then I'm using my heat protectant. This is the Aveda heat protectant spray. I just kind of like went to Douglas and picked up a heat protectant. I'm using the Aveda Firm Hold hairspray. I don't love any of the hairsprays that I've tried here in the Netherlands. Like, I miss my Unite hairspray. That is my favorite ever hairspray. This one is really sticky and crunchy, but it's the only one that I've found so far that actually holds the curl. So I put up with the sticky and crunchy because it'll hold the curl. So I'm still going through trying hairsprays. So if you have any hairsprays that are in the EU that you recommend, please let a girl know because I'm trying to figure it out. And this is my little setup I have for filming my TikTok tutorial. This is the curling iron that I use when I do blowouts. It's the Hot Tools Professional. I think this is a 2-inch barrel, but it has a clamp, and it's from Hot Tools. This one I really love for blowouts, or if I want really big bouncy waves because the barrel is so big. I use the T3 when I do my normal like tighter curls, and that one I think is either a 1-inch or 1.5 inch barrel. And I really love that one. I really like T3 and Hot Tools for curling irons. Okay, I've adjusted the lighting now, but I'm spraying the heat protectant in my hair right now. Then I'm going to part my hair. I go above my ears. So what I do is I'll take the big section and then begin rolling. Oh, I can't see in these Dutch mirrors. Our mirrors in the bathroom, since Dutch people are super tall, the mirror is like too tall for me, and I like can't see anything below here. I also always make sure to brush through the side before starting to curl it, just so that there's no knots or anything. For the midsection of my hair, I'm gonna curl that actually towards my face, and then the top layer and the face framing pieces always get curled away from my face. Okay, my hair is now in the thermal rollers, so I'm gonna go do my makeup while I let them set. I just finished with the hair and makeup. I did a very natural everyday look. The hair is out of the rollers. I think it turned out so good. It's not my best work, but I think it turned out well. Now I'm about to get dressed for our excursion, our adventure, and then we're gonna head out the door and go into Amsterdam. Wait, that's not true. I was gonna say, I feel like I haven't ran around in Amsterdam, like the central of Amsterdam, in a while. I feel like I've always been kind of around in different parts of Amsterdam. We're really going into central today, and we're gonna do some retail therapy, and I could not be more excited. I love bringing you guys with me when I go shopping. Even if I don't get anything, like even if we're just window browsing, like I just think it's so fun, especially because if you're watching this and you're on the other side of the world, then you get to see what's in the stores here. You know what I mean? It's just so interesting. I love watching people shop in different parts of the world because it's so interesting to see what they have, what's the vibe, what's in trend. It's so cool to see. I'm feeling so good about the blue skies being out right now. It literally makes me so happy. So this is the fit. It's just the wide-legged. I wore this headband with it because it matches the leggings. But since I just did a blowout, I'm like, wait, would that even look good, or would it ruin the blowout? Because it's also really nice on my ears since it's so cold out and walking around. Kind of keeps my ears warm. Oh my god, I can't tell. I'm gonna fold it in half. Wait, I think it looks good. Okay, wait, I actually think I got it to work. I think it still looks good with the blowout, which is good to know because I have so many of these little headbands that I can do with different outfits. So I feel like I could actually make cute hairstyles a few times with headbands like this. This is the puffer that I think I'm gonna wear. I also have this blue and white scarf that I might wear. I can't tell if it matches the vibe or not. Let me look in the mirror. I don't think I need the scarf. I think the scarf's doing too much. It's making me feel a little claustrophobic. Okay, well, problem solved. Just finished working out. I hit legs today, which I feel like every time I vlog I am hitting legs, but the reason why I like to film legs is because a lot of the machines are lower to the ground, so it's easier to get like good visual because I don't bring a tripod, and because it's low to the ground and a lot of the machines for legs are like in their own little corner, then I don't have to worry about like accidentally getting other people in or not being able to use clips because other people are in them. So it's just easier to film leg day. But then I realized, I was like, wait, it looks like I only hit legs, which I promise I don't, but legs are just easier to film if I'm not like bringing a whole tripod and like doing a whole deal. Anywho, it's almost time for the yoga class, but I have to see if there's like spots available in the class. Cause wait, I don't think I've told you guys, I work in health and wellness. That's my other job. I normally don't talk about my other jobs other than doing social media, but I work in health and wellness, and the place that I work has a yoga studio in it, so that's why I can like go to the classes and do the classes. But yeah, I was talking to the yoga instructor the other day and she was like, please come join, like it would be so fun. So that's what I'm going. She convinced me to go, but we're getting pretty close to time, so I think I'm gonna say bye to the boys and then go walk over and see if I can get into the class. I just finished the restorative yoga class and it was everything that I needed. It was perfect. And then I walk out and Keenan's sitting on the couch waiting for me so we can go back together. How sweet is that?
So we can make it home.
That class was so nice. We were in Shavasana for most of it. Honestly, pretty much like the whole time. Restorative yoga is the move. Like, I missed it. We used to do yoga all the time in Arizona, especially yin yoga. So it felt nice to get back into it. And that was my first yoga class in the Netherlands. So I've done yoga in Arizona, California, and Oregon, and now in the Netherlands.
And now in the Netherlands.
All right, well, we're gonna head home now. I'm back home now. We got back at like 10 p.m. I feel so tired, but like in the best way possible. I also still need to make dinner. I'm gonna do my skincare and take off my makeup so I can just like eat and chill. Why does sometimes taking off your makeup feels like the biggest task ever? That's how it feels right now. But we had a good makeup day. Now I'm gonna double cleanse. I love double cleansing, especially if I wear makeup. And having these wrist things really do help make taking your makeup off and washing your face a lot more comfortable than having the water like dripping all the way down into your sleeves. These are from Dr. Jart. Oh my gosh, my skin feels so good now. To let that kind of soak up in the skin. And then I'm going in with the Dr. Jart brightening serum, and so far I've been loving it. I love vitamin C for the skin. I feel like it just makes the world of difference of giving your skin like a good glow. I also have been trying retinol since I've never used it before. I'm using it like every other night, so I'm trying that out, and so far haven't noticed anything. My skin is like kind of breaking out right now. I'll keep you updated. And then right now I'm using the L'Oreal Miracle Clear Barrier Cream. This whole line, like the face wash, the serum, really good. I love L'Oreal skincare, and I'm trying to make sure I'm staying consistent with my lash serum. I use Babe Lash. I've been using it for years and it has done wonders for my lash. I'm all ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and having a girls' day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I can't wait to see you guys next week in another weekly vlog. Subscribe, stick around and hang out, and I love you guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye, babies.